Hey coders, today we'll learn how to make a cool callout message box like you saw earlier. Source code and timestamps are available in the description below. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial. First, you need a file called index.html with some basic tags in it. You can get a copy of these tags in the description below at the assets section. Inside our body tag, I already have a div class of content and add a dummy text inside it. Below it, we will start by creating a div class of callout. Inside it, create a div class of callout title. Inside it, we add bold text of subscribe. We close this div and proceed to make a span class of close button. We also style it as font size of 30px and give onClick function to hide the callout message box when this span is clicked. Then we close this span after adding the times symbol. Below this, we add a div class of callout container. Inside we add text that we want to add. I'm adding a paragraph tag and a button. That's all for HTML. Let's see how is our output so far. Okay, now let's go to our CSS file. Inside it, I have already imported Poppins font. Below, we style our body tag by giving font family of Poppins. Next, we style our selection pseudo element which can customize the color of text when highlighted with the user's cursor. Then, we will start styling our callout div class. We set position as fixed to make sure our callout box is always at a fixed position even if the user scrolls through the page. Then we use bottom, right and margin elements to position our callout box on the bottom right corner. This is our output so far. Okay, let's now go to our callout title div class. We give padding to enlarge the size, increase font size and customize the text color and background color of this section. Here's the output now. Next, we style the callout container section. We just give padding to increase the area size and give color for our text and background. Here's the output right now. Now, we will proceed to style the close button. We determine its position on the top right corner of our message box by using several properties. These include absolute position, top and right. We also set color as white and cursor as pointer. We then add a hover pseudo element and see the output for now. Lastly, I will style the button in our message box. We set the font as Poppins, border as none and color as white. I also give padding to increase the area of the button. I also determine the display as inline block and give it transition of 0.3 seconds for our hover effect later. In our hover extension, we add a darker green color background. Let's see our final output. And that wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials with free source code. Till the next one, goodbye.